right, and then a special day set aside by the Almighty God. Say, Inya, na Yamfamwa, na Ebiase, and a mind gun into a classic. I'm not some said Maria to the Sinupi, na it me and the brother will be a Sada, and call and from our say, when it was one sharing, one will share on Facebook, Kumawood TV, YouTube, Sam Darkus TV, and then we are live from the studios of Kumawood TV, Atenga Dancing, here in Kumasi, Sikrum, and anybody in the free was shedding song. So our other social handlers now, with me at the council, or found bar for one. Now our Google Play Store, with me, and I will do the Kumawood app now. I feel live on your phone. You have to be now get me at the Como and then a brother. I mean, a Santa region, two major incidents and other issues, and I also and our Santa region, the NDC, Amanikuno, and they, Oman Central for Shim, so what I say, and I want a board, the Ashanti Regional Director for the Electoral Commission, Ura Benjamin Banopil, say, Apano, and there's a person we are going. And as a social traffic at Dukum at the Emma NPP. We don't read now that the home and Comasanso and Nanabuachi, aka Nanabi, the National Youth Organizer for the NPP, and so everybody who comes at Mountain, so I said, for Shim. Now, as a double shame, and Semibri and Nanabi, and so at me, and the actually was a school there. Of course, Kusman, no, I'm going to campaign. And you might hear 60. Any media hoba and be by among Aya, Omakasia, 80 and Como. I'm saying they were 60, but for now they can talk of 60. Buson, Ecuador, and actually everybody among everything like I'm ready at home from Wenra. What you can catch there was Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Baumia, Echo, National Chief Imam, Sheikh Num Sharutua, Okoya, na and some there. And they call a name. I put an asamba. They sign a UPU. Say, Omer running mates and from the President of the Republic, not now before I don't know, or Abachi Empire. When I want to go to just say, I'm a new co and by you know, Zungu here. Sabandia ba, now Zungu for your son for so panwa, a NPP buying, and a Zungu for any for so pa. If you don't read, yes, Zungunya, Ebusa said, a dear NPP buyer. Among I the various zongus are in name Emma Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Baumia, Ejinaswa, or the Kasa. The opposition NDC, and so I as a joke share more Enra, and then NDC Eka, and they say, Ebeya, our form, Eddie Canada say, Uncle Soman Kofi. Silent here, Abano now for no Emma Martin Kofi, because the said, as a bino, Philippa. The fight against the novel coronavirus, no, Abano, et me a Philippa, a bit now, and also home common, yet to me, et if you have, and then some at Dawson, Shaneson, say, in a Kwame Plus, or say, empty Germanicono, episode for Quimby also, now, only we are burning, and so any human, well, these allegations are A plus, and they were not at the party, and people are as also. And I come to me. I started with Natama of the NPP, so they said, okay, I'm for so any supply and Brazil Ghana Police Service transfers a chassis ahead of the December push for and before the member come home here said, I was so Okaha, or so you so Okaha, or so you so Okaha, let me one now it means peaceful, transparent elections, now it means one and all. And at the National Peace Council, and so at the Abba, say, in the registrations as I echo of my Ghana, or Pro, across the country. Now, your mom will say, Ghana pussy for them. And you mind your more yet, then to do a Yatus Cabra. Almost what you say, as Swasi, a just to Massy, instead of see one, and said that I'm sorry. Vigilantism, Makumia, as a apostle, and this name be now, I don't Musash, and as I said, Omun Mapan, Emma, Ian, twice have vigilantism, as should you, Kobani saying, and I indeed decided on apostle. I don't see. Or any foot and on the various political parties and our security agencies. Even I'm now and also know it mean Eddie and Congo and so called the Moroswa NDC4 and we have body pass the deputy chieftaincy minister policy no Jomoro member of parliament or Jomoro so we bash go for bi e de omo free man Ghana fa bi ran be bra Jomoro e bani for so omo na nya adua and so metim ho ase etumi aba as I speak with you 55 students from Accra Girls Senior High School and Ghana Education Service are confirming say omonya novel coronavirus yare ni bi adisuafo from one school 55 omonya yare ni bi there are a number of secondary schools almost any yare ni bi and National Council of the Parent Teachers Association eka say ebeya aban mo no embrefi but aban say there be ije no sabe no yemo mpa na kwala no tumi ko kire mo sorry ebeya mbre na eno so no issues akọ so Ghana timi e de ho enkomo enra ene ne nyina no the Minister for Health ora free ewo Asante Mantem wo kwaprobo one Director of Ghana Health Service omo kwaprobo omo say 2 hospitals are a shasi a yesi a ne yakaka ne esi ebi no said the figures no overwhelming figures about cases in Ashanti region about 5,000 plus and amount for the Ashanti region no don't be here say ibe enya treatment centers in Ashanti region they tapa the quite hospitals ni na no e ba be treatment center etumi e de apoa na so ko sewu a hospital yesi sewu a me form ho no ana say construction works e ko so ho no e mo me for 40 in Ashanti region and omo enya COVID-19 no ebie the disease the virus is real you need to take very good care of yourself so that at least you can protect yourself and protect your family and entire country this is so kwa etumi efa na Bishop Ajenasari so akasa ase o se ndi Ghana asemsi na okabia na manefo no ya pega ni bidu atamo a ya de san so emboa man bi taka tro so ni wo he ndeke ni pan beka eno ti ye na enkoya o si na no etimi ka na edipa mu se je koso no enkoyi na aban no so e de kobo ama National House of Chiefs se o sera wo mu ada mo man disi for na ada wo en ka ka simbi fan fe ba ndisi o so sera wo mu o mu nyai sade no government ka situation so di pape 200 doctors and then the area COVID-19 and the assistance now in Ghana we have 264 new cases and then one point we back home until the year shooting up 25,252 not 82 and then go 2004 and then by 23 million say 25 million 252 death 139 with recoveries on 21,391 and then active cases was 3,716. Greater Accra is still leading with 13,869, followed by the Ashanti region 5,277, and the other regions, Western region with 2,189, Central region 1,110. It goes on and on and on. Na yetumi more now the former president and the leader of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, or say Ghana lacks leadership. So on Penny Otiswi, the new dear no, so you go my power or form Sana John Dramani Mahama and the Atuja. Silent here, and I say NDC at here. Well, the Benamre, then they getting come up, but a question I'm asking. And they say, do you support the call by the National PTA Council? Say, Mofrano, more secondary schools, and they have final years to no teachers, and secondary schools no. Any good track, second years no. Your refugee, and as we can contain them, we think, say, Omo school, Omo AC. That is the question we are asking. And then another topic, I say, your views, your thoughts, your comments are welcome. And they say, comparing President Akufo-Addo governance in 3.5 years to that of John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, former President, 4 years in office. Fine Madimbo, and the Swedish League, Hakutraba, Obeto, and the Amanini, and the Michael, Nana Adumako, very friendly say Mike. The executive producer, Samuel, Habana Dafon, and then Bernard Ade, so a producer, that's me at the Amaya. Yabasada, and for Emma Jonat Heba Clinic, or no, Ebway. Muhis Herbal Center, ɛna afei nso no aseda no bi nkɔma God's Way Casket so no sika aso yasere na de dwumadi no etumi ɛde ɛbrɛ wo yɛntwa yɛ ho mmra yɛba Jake Azantilo NDC Regional Communication Team member ofia ha Chairman Ernest Kwekwejeyi Second Vice Chairman NPP Mention of Constituency so ha ɛna afei Kofi Owusu Omar GCPP Ashanti Regional Chairman ɛnso ɛwɔ ebenyamre na etumi SNP amoman no akɔso yɛbasisia Right, Yansan Ebusia Fakaba, and from Sinopi on Kumawood TV. I trust your views, I thought your comments. Remember, I can kind Eddie amount. We will screen here. Numbers no episode 0543 596 070. Fabra and tell me Yamre and can kind entry M4 amount. I said that Elko M4 Jonat Heba Clinic. Godsway Caskets and Afi Muhiz Heba Center. I mean, your father say, I'm a car on Afi, and shall say, in the Elko. And that's what good MVP mentioned. John,
yeah, maybe. It also.
We have a colleague.
Yamian, Namonsoy,
or Radon Bako.
Sure, say, will be a way, good Russian team, sure.
Some darkus. No, your father. I was a grandchild young man, home for Papa.
Massa, and then Yamedia Chen.
Boss Muffin, no for the Gentino. Be a come.
Be a come. I guess if you are transformer affected by what is it? Be a new thing. Oh, a man of way than the way you are. Yes. Jake! You have a colleague. If you were going to smoke, it's a good night here. You man call it near being yours. You want him, like the Bamunia money. You know that I didn't know, like, here because never more price. Okay, you are bad, and you look at the some bad. You're living yet in here. And that's how all castle boss off in 100 and one, and our boss in here. Oh. We have to see. What's all goes off? I don't see the one on here. Now, is an offer. So I away. Never should be more offer. I want to come in here, come and I want to come. Where jealous. And I'm very good. What's what you're from the car? Well, I was because I'm also off. And then surprisingly, NDC, the MPP now in the Ashanti region, my press conference. I mean, I say, we are not quite this one. I'm also doing a press conference. The details. More than NDC, and I'm going to say, how pan, and they say, my Minkia, I share for the end of my sinner. So my dear brother, we share. And I teach you NDC for former president of Bahama. Now, my chair, Memami, Nanaji, Mamia, Sabu, or one who making one PM. And I'm sure the Madi and Massam, the Massam, because it's a woman new years. Remember, yes, she in a mind who you know. It's my cancer about Tampa. Young Bishop. Your press conference near we said, Mammy Mensa, your pointing is all very easy. Boss. And never be believed was starting, then you may be because of your car, no new dear town, area when people dear town, now per casa, no moon casa, no come on new tune. There be also a catch of lessons, I have process in your event. In your day, I try by Anna. Obi kase obi wia ba mu a ama obi a enya no because what start process na e koso nyina so wa ma wani anda ba a hono na ye be wia ani ya so lessons dey be ameka 1992 NDC dey wa woni of fire constitution na 1992 constitution na ye empanyi for the church no mo try as atam na once and the tia no so no hebe 20 ade bi e bi ya tia se enti enye e koso no na o man bi aso ye koye ni ye democracy na ye se Ghana 1992 ya bad democracy once ya ba na ye ko na exactly I don't make a go straight around me press conference me come na ama ati for na tia se tini ya kase bi bia ye de mra ya mfa tumi titi me na wo abode na ye you start to see a trade in never be because you can for so you can you do near Pekasa. It's your press conference in Tia. So here first week, second week, and you may a I had been into you can never be said for so share city MP adwa MP na binsi wo first kura ne wo soja aban a ne yesusu se Rose Free soja aban de ba 1992 MPP ni wa wo gina wa obi yi ni sa abono ya bo MP just free o kan ni di wato ba de be ya me kase si an kan di wachi a o ba kase o agro na efe agro ni de de ba na da ye ba bo waso no wo muso ya ebi ase democracy ni ye nyina ya pe aba ni eto we to aba ye to aba ni eto aba magana fo to aba no ba no wo mwani ya gana fo ko ya ni betu ni be to aba eto ye ko truti MP city MP no ya bu afan no waji aba pe mu ni ya report am police for nye hwe o kan yo mu chi obi a ye videos wo bibia wo
eno no address to ma city
address to ma city esi
eno no ya one
ana so hwe teacher fan place NDC boys bia ye chi wo mu do mu kotum DC ye ko police station ye ko man bail because a police for so o mu de o mu ni problem DC ye ni DC ni kasa ampa ye ni DC ni ko kasa ye mi wan so DC su na echina for candidate ama abaya wo so ono so na security no da
okay
ye ne ko kasa ya para chew ansa no no ya accept nti na me started the 1992 constitution link because emra enya wodin na DC mu ani ya ne ko kasa ansa na police for man be ana so asibiesi me so se na meti na wo ka the you for ka peace council for no I can't fast one so I mean the same year and peace council for no crack as a police for be a meduma and queen so until you say I never near costing and you complain say ye dini yetro so susu will be a idea and yes I mean you are two of freemanship no o ko be to say bantima so I hear for any say share so who say this for akwaya sadu on the me and say Ghana for toda yan kind of koye yan pese ba kan ko ye city yam yansa teacher Fran praise adwa and aso ase MPP regional chairman say chinchina wo baji ti wa ko create sin wo ho o bo waso no akacha oso yedi o kasa ye so mum and o pedidi nti ya me bi say nti sebi o sanse no wo mu say ndisi for ye be ko yakoba nti ma kwa yesa yan ko ma chia no fo nko yesa because you feel say ye di ni yetro ba say yetro no ba sinipa no do mo ba ni ye complain ya na o peso sisi e o si wo sisi minti mi nye di na me ga o me complain na dia o pe police for na so mo we ma mere ye aduma police for no so enisi
okay
anu asam ya kan true
eno no ya trade
anu ya trade true by trade yisi ya wa ha ni true di o no sisi di ni true you pe president ye nyina ya o take you through team after yam fan say no no nya official say you throw your team we e be NPP chairman NPP agent me NDC agent wo na o ye EC enti o producer ba register me throw ni team na ma throw the card number so what I say ba no
which is illegal
it have been illegal
enya compose say
me throw wa
police na go team
enti me ka say nya bone ba me throw wa de eni to na me ka throw say anu enya official ba me ka be si bi so enya sa wo nti ase me pese me chese anu kra ye ro ko ba no enti sa friend no enya official
okay
o si e trodi ni wie enumere ni apoma yi se for print copy mai anu ye official a chese anu ya register ni 500 anu ya register to mu wie ya no yi se for ni wie o mu first phase no first 6 days no anu o mu compile the whole Ghana region bi e de constituency bi e de nti ya wo hana o ye on press conference wo national abaya na central region constituency ni bi wo ha be be 12,000 ya 30,000
okay ese ibi abeka
chese bi bra abeka ho asem ya abeka enye ntro na metwa o ma de mishi o ma de ya tu se ampa o mu jitu se ya kan ya no enye so o mu kura na se bi o ma na egu hunu kura na o mu ka ye ne hu se figures na o mu jitu dwa constituency ni bi o mu de bi aka
okay
oh constituency free central region ya de bi aka se bi o a central region NPP strong enti mimi ntina ma o mfa ayini bi nka ho mi wa so ade ne ntisa anu ma sam na ne ya kan ti na bia wo ka ma me na sam a obi nti ase afede mo ati ase se na bia me ba fidie so a me ka se die mensa ye mu bi ye ni mu adwuma che ma be wo ka obi so obua we kwa di intro keke first 6 days pena o tro ya kra figures ni bia ba ka o di bia ka o ma kasa di atu
na figures ni free hen
every question oh nyame na me ka ya me yase mu ye media ka sa mu am person ka o ji tu mu say the moment I over challenge me no obi o gbe ma wo ye MPP ni no o ba ka si mi twa ntro ba de ka si
I'm asking you question
never so o ti am bisem say ehin na chese die isi fo no be ji tu mu wo isi fo chairman de ya no woni ma na do ta ba dia mun kan ya isi fo na dimiti say ayam pa say o ma ye mistake fra o de fra region ya fra o de wo fra wi a wa to ka bia ni wi a betua credit ni ka no fra region I mean to na me ka say ni pa ya kan no kore ba chairman pa so odi na say nya true wo yes na ahwefo no nti na me ka say mimi kan senka wo social media for no nko ba ka so ayampa o si yisi for na be dia tum so o ma ye mistake because me no kasa kwa of e kwa o ka say o mo be jitu ba se wa anka bia na chairman so be ka so meboa no obi e wo ti ho no obi e wo ti ho na be dia to anya no kuraje ki twantro o na mpese ye nyina ye jitu say aya no kura say o mo di bi ka ho ama o ma di atu a obi eni we nya say eye funu yare eye ni yare just obi e wotime kan bia yisifo na die atu say eye ba mistake anu mo press conference ni eye anu mo asam ade ye ka ade
o ma ja tumu di ade na
na de tro mo jitu so ye nka asi ye ka kire ye ngo yankofo no mo ni da o nti ni de anya wrong we say why ya ade no obi adi atu anu ni chase mi ntimi nka wa asam bi metima kan wa asam ana de sa to so ni ye okoba bi ti say NDC media for say example oko aso kwa nso esi hona oko area bi ti sasa kroma
respond about to pay 20 million
ai o se nya hwe ya no ntina me wa ha oko bi ti say aso kroma mpoma aso kwa nso esi ye to abayi a ho pa na MPP fo nya o vote oba aso kwa pa na nkasa ho ne yenye ye timi trodi ni be duru enumere no ne ba bi ye MPP fo atimi ye to aba o munya kasa machine timi record bia be 200 and now 150 no ko be bia NDC ye to abaye nya kasem e machine tim record 50
yes
anu so wo black and white say ye to
come machine papa nko
machine kwa o mutimi kasa nya si nipa ni wo o papa mo gu ho nso na machine na abrepi machine na asai be bi wo so a yisifo no o mo so o ma fa nipa tu to so ale bia na o pese o so ko gu nsu
no bi so be so
na o bi so abese na o timi ko ba bi si so ma se da wo si edie o
be be mo strong
o ba ko ne ni pada sole o se anu ni ti esi anu ni tubo ni e ba bo yisi si ya mfa mo NPP nti ba me ni ya de ba bo no ba NPP fo be defend ni so eye normal nti se o we se anu ma ni nyina ko so na ene ya pese etwinga na fo nyina adwini si so si ni ma se ne ko ba ya ka ye ya me pese nke ye ni se media fo no si ye so kan sama ala topics na mo di mayan aya musu nsuya wotisi ye twa ka mi twa no asi jeki
no don't discredit no
aya media for you
don't discredit the media so we say strong good
enya me let me make a point ye no wo question say we say yisi for na die tuma we say that question dey ni kan kwa so
what strong good machine no if no is the bucket way
no
say one how would I know say this
I no grad ye nyam ba me ka dey yisi for ni titum say o me the figures ni bia ka wa wo say bi say because I want me di yawo abra wunni wo titum si yisi for na ba accept say I true wunni me person can right me person can
Ernest yes sir must be a press conference na bi na address here na must be the other saying
yo Mickey say we see ka me da ase ma me chia ofefo nya ma me chia mpimpanifo reji mu ma chia ma wontumi chia ma wontumi o
kan say ya o ne kasa ka kare yi ne nyo no kan wiska
chia ma wontumi o yes ya no afreda kan chia your friend is my main chair regional minister na BDH. I mean commercial of main chair consultants executives.
Okay.
Coordinators. Policy executives. I mean chair opposition. The incoming MP. Your bomba is ya maybe ya don't know the chair best one. Now the boy, my main chair of impuntu and yes would be about. Unia. Yeah, me magic.
Press conference.
Press conference.
What's your problem?
I remember my Canadian.
Press conference.
Yeah, can you?
Say about topic.
Say, Ashanti region. Hey, no crap. Say, NDC war 3 seats. And a while. We go voter regional. Then people sit NDC for Ajay. So much. Enti DNT and a beba say Ashanti region. You was more seat. Near free say a politics near contest near co. Near see a filing nipa. Near be say the modern one back home. Info be beating a bombarding. A man be no apostle. Na say most of one penny number katakata be to trust him. A bay the answer them fra. Nessa buying munya, Mosi Yamo. Massa, and it someone yet is sending fata, so also yet. No more yet to trust them for registration, or must have one for money. As municipal or MC, you know, any duties or pork and Beshana so by. And to be pure by idea and then Brandon fan, also a member of Unity. Say, we come here, Papa come for Pacho. I don't hear next step after say fata, come up for Pacho. Who tip you more Pacho? Myself and court. Now, court to Mumam. So I say, and I'm Peter Madonna for who said, NDC. A common way might be said, a yet, sir, yes, a Juma warrior. I'm not take French in a movie. Yet, not a movie. A year, Nana B press conference over here. I'm saying now, what is here, saying Nana B, our core secondary schools, a campaign, of which I near propaganda and yellow cream. One core secondary school beyond campaign or monitoring, and your campaign or monitoring so dear, send a year can. Your registration if I have the right to go and check what's going there. All one secondary schools be a queen centers, a being so ye temporary registration centers. Our corner, all political parties, all reps or our monitor who say decency and your money on which you did not see. Secondly, a year while we say, now saying, yes, say, your secondary school for our school. I'm a PT, I'm say consent PT.
We will not consent. We are National Council.
PT. Okay.
Rather, on a young president.
You party. Yeah. Say, I'm on Tiasia. Say, Nkolana, or Makwa, ya prepare on Baba Johnson in home refuge. Nana, I was here, Magana for so in near church or Musim. They require you say, and ye be a domokan. A classroom and as a classroom. And no committee, no say no meeting. Now, Mickey, ye share you. Me mean you got a honey tea. See a can great. Now, yet the and see ye, I can. Ye must say, and Colano Muskum, and no more fear. And move dear him, and no ye safe as compared to COVID-19. Me no mean you not here. And you use a whoopia one tia. And Kona and Maba one and Manti years or the school going age of secondary school movie. A bit to me dream.
It was an enemy.
Did was an enemy. Or more come free in a boy. Did was any testimony.
Think I don't want to see the boy.
Now, wouldn't you? Wouldn't somebody fear the boy? And granted if you fear and a boy in the school.
And I buy now why. He said, maybe by airport on the nipple will need you on home. And I could have free fee. I was Simon Pan. Why you was
Mrs. Bain and I'll make casting way. Say, and one testimony. What's in the Diaba, Contibaco, and was our woman? How do you know any connection on us and okay? And I made sure say, ye near should be a field. Ah, they can't, yes, CNT. I see look at Jana Roma, and yet this is Roma. Yes, I catch up say, I didn't know, also not correct. Name on President Eddie Pivot to be scat. And I'm not to Ghana for trim. Now, you are not winning. Anyone DC, any CPP, any Mobia, any Nipa. And I'm not candy shell prophets, you are DP and all protocols on for one follow. So, I say, Anna, Obibeka said, never said, you're testing woman, that's the NDC argument on Mickey. You see a testing when I said walk school. And do you ever cast a NDC? Dabi. One more number two, a proposal, Sam, say, and I'm going for campy. You respect people who can't carry. And I say, so come, Massa. You have to assess the environment of the case, what you are making. Accept that, Massa, how do you do it? Me know to make maybe me no testing them. You be so negative. Who be coffee? You don't know the circumstances you find yourself. Who be me at here?
But I don't go fear so much school.
And I make you say,
what I said, I won't say. I can't be dear. Who school? Can you count? I say, I won't be fear the coin. Say, testimony who said, well, I will be a Libya. And I'm walking in the school one be different. But now, some go in the school, some here, there, somebody fear the coin. Maybe can't test one.
How do you test them? How do you test them? And if I don't know test one, answer na kwa better school school. How do you test them? Better so move. You can't test them in their houses. No. If you go school no, and a safety protocols you dey go on. Etimi aba yetimi e show. Am you who say enkwara ni bi wo ya dey ni bi. And only you found better. I contact trace no money, or my test mass testing. To her, so that I won't money be better so let you. We know me when you have some more schools, now PPs are already wrong. Safety protocols are there, over sanitizers, school. What you say? Yeah, the Ferris and Rotka bucket is your shogun. Yama Colabia knows my Yama sanitizer. Can you tell me? Say, common nothing, you also remember, events sanitizer crowd.
Any it's here, they are P. I wait me up to school is my viewers now. I feel that PT for the ABBA say I want to consider the schools.
Yes.
I said not all schools have received the personal protective equipment on first reading. Not all schools. The schools which have received supplies did not get full supply of the PPEs. The COVID-19 safety protocols, especially the social distancing and wearing of nose masks, are not being adhered to by the students, especially say teacher for no pong, not teacher for no coffee. I can't go around the don't be or more and then inadequate space in some of the schools has resulted in overcrowding in dormitories, defeating the purpose of the social distancing protocols. Therefore, what kind of most of the schools know one on that application.
Now, let me ask you. Yes, you know what is going on. We are also into the education sector. What you say? You call you school. You measure say classroom. What classroom is need but 80. But class are therefore over 100. Need but 80 the two. Can you tell me social distancing here more one? You see Omodano. Now, Omodano a boarding school. Now your first year, second year, 10 years. And Omodano now the first year and then the second year we go track or say this go track. It can you tell me says anybody facility that fund any over thousands, you know. And Palano social distancing here, Messi Domo Camilano, and here say, it's here say, Yamuso Munia, your Podomo Camila, what's the school men with your PPs? School men, school men not Ghana ha. One met in your boat is a school men calling your PPs, that should tell us. Oh, the other way, and mamma is so irritated, they say, I'm into that field. A big buy, you know, Ashanti region, the whole Ashanti region. Yet you know, Kumasia.
Confidentially. You know, conversation confidentially. We know say schools in Wakana. Every other mother man, that number no. And from school students no teachers.
That is where you are talking. No. So Okasana, they the school authorities. They are making their disservice, almost disservice, almost disturb the system. The parents so almost say, I'm calling you now. But do not send Omania. We're able to come out with the figures. Almost me, Baba Casa Palano, Yamama Baconasa Mumi. Do you understand?
Okay.
So, what to me, Baba Catches and Palano, Epia Omunya, Munya Baco, Omania Bicra. But I bet what I say, Yamasa, you are not making points.
Okay. Listen to this one. In the current circumstance, the children are psychologically unstable and would therefore not be sound mind to write the WASI and BC examinations because of the equation. The Sakara gets 55 for Nebi. In Science Senior High School in the Western Nipa 8, Albert supporters Nipa Bakon. Those who in the equation, the man Colano, almost any stable mind to learn.
And he
and
and I can answer for an acre.
So I'm
asking, Mr. Brown, I can answer for an acre. Oh, Mickey. Yama Ghana Frontiers, we are not upon the system. You want the system or not? Share a beer with an Awuska. Who bet me control my fee. The majority of the people and any part of your vulnerable master, you don't have enough. Sam for the man and one sem and he see I come with them here. But what you mean can't let me say and call more you know. Woman, you're more safer than from most room. What you mean can't say one?
Only safer.
They are 100% safe.
And that's a more because one of the doors. And I don't know go school. Don't go say go
good. Say your cousin you piano running in our you have social distancing here. Based on time because almost school. Almost social distance is far better than one teach your motor and I'm council almost for PP so many.
This is my feeling. Oh, my feeling the fight no cry.
NDC. The least said about them the better. And the Papa Ben NDC say, of course we're gonna have Omutimbo Mano a tomb at the moment. And the Papa Ben. And the Papa Ben and also meeting the back of a 19 billion. And you will tell Swan and Castle Jesse Papa Ben Pan of Magana. They should tell us. Share so what you mean or Memuha as a political party. Now a president and I want to work to a fuck over 19. So what you mean? Your friends a message safety, your friends or the social interventions about. Amma a new person behind the piano. We are great to see what you are saying. And so you are saying. What somewhere your Busia said, you fancy you are bringing to you muscle. Nasi is a woman, you don't walk any she say about she say. A dear man is for say, and can your money test on committing me. A dear bad no committing me. Share almost free cast of over 90 anymore. Yeah, cast of over 90 about the rule. Some perform for social distancing. Protocols in your man. No more to say me contact. No more drinks account. And this, yeah, about the rule. No more drinks account. It tells with your mindset. When they hear anything about money, on the people money sika. But people are not go for why really so? The mere fact say where have organization be at say. Say idea we can live with that for about some years. I will do some pay man. Make you me say we mo pay and are we going to sit down? Ghana say your medication boss. You can't do that.
But the same countries, Nigeria, no Liberia, those countries. Some also we are seeing here.
If they are saying,
I must say, there be, but I don't know saying.
Me that's don't go for what they can say. I don't go for say. The only you feel me, maybe him fear ye. And there's always first step. Say, Nana don't go for Ghana president, only a jail, Nana don't go for Nigeria president, Buhari. The strategy of Buhari is quite different from strategy of Nana Akufo-Addo. What you open mind? Everyone say maybe mine. This is how I want to go. The mere fact say, why have organization who say that it has come to stay? How do I manage it? Say the better bet me any more experience with the packet one. No matter how I can manage it. Now your compassion also be school Kurana, but we can't first be school Nafa. And Nana Akufo-Addo warrior. No matter what it is, you had the school you go.
All right, Enra, now health minister of Central Region was say, I said Ghana for the Aswati. They are buying the baby or but here the for protocols. Do you agree with him?
I agree with him 100%. I agree with him 100%. In the sense, he said, "William Mike, we are a cooking. What did we are now? Could you not correct? The number of people who 12 to 4 for Aswa. Omufa, your friend say no smash in every. Oh, my Mickey. Yantia. Anna Ban share say, almost no smash for so therefore starting say, you want to do Kaka. And Jeba some year to social media. And Jeba some year to DC for communicators. Oh, it was here in Ayaboa. Now you're in Ghana for yet you make sure say, safety protocols you follow. Say the Abane because make it a way. Am I never be pre a catchy and put to a catchy? Ghana is a same air coffin because of this. But on my penny and then a powerful. Oh, you be a bit me aboa. You be health workers. Look at what is happening there. because of say yen negligence any tiasuti yen tinti no and amasa ni no yin to your friend say ye adwuma ye for ye akodi adwuma ye for ti be sele Ghana for ti opia ntie never safety protocols ni adwuma na etime ye adwuma yin ya ye no adura e baba ye na etime ni live a normal life ye adwuma ye be koso ama mpuntu aba Ghana ani abrabo
right I say watching live
me be train radio so oh yambo abana abaso then nipa ba ko na ewu yambo abana abaso sisi ewu omodu 139 ya ne de mi check
139
yesi yegusu se yambo abana abaso omuko ya goduru 3000 omuso aduru picture me de me nya krachi ni mo am ya krachi for ni se akasa de aduru picture ma mo na mo ya krachi for mo kira de o sus woni chama nti ya mo ya no achama se o ya fa ni sentry mo omuso aduru picture mo na ba aduru go 25000
ya brought 25000
ya brought 25000 nti me de mi se akasa de aduru picture enim die se bi na ma chichire mu ya na ka wa chichire me ni se akasa do me ba o kasa nya ni yedin ma ni nya fe ma mo wa kra
so ma mo wa ti me so mo
wa nti me sra
wa me kan na mo
no fe se akasa de aduru picture adu ni picture
pem
ni se apem
ndi e sa se aba fom sana Ghana have service kan
kan ba ni nim se ebrofo ni sa ya kasa aduru picture afa ne e kon kasa ebrofo dobo
se ya na dada na ho nti no o je so wa ya na kasa
enti na me kasa no kasa de yam fam bu o man mo na de bia wo dwa wonu yam wo wa baso yenyese bidine matu akwam na yare ne koso wo betina sa wo si yam mo yesa mo wa ya ade yesu so o mo so
bara o so me ba go kwam
bara o de niam mi betire o mo de niam so de niam egu akwam a wo tie kasa daughters ni nurses 700 enya yare o se ye a ye ndi protocol so no ye na ma o anya sa yare no the first place so mo PPs na enko mo benya yare so ko ma bo mo ba wo tie na da bi o mo complain se bi ni ko nti nipa kura ba o musu be bo a obi also odo nipa ni wu a opim ni e bia obi nya no o strage a anya fenya o ka so ko test na asa e bia me ka wo ni PPs no ba o no odo nipa ti jo ko kwa ko so no e bia no obi ka bo obi bibi esi na odi nipa na ba ho wo si doctor na nurse ni no on jai na oni on jamani nkoso no odi subuo e bo timamefo doctors a mo bo mo ba e bi o mo complain say niema na wo betina ti ni su dwo mo mu se mo di aba eni ho ani dia ko kwa da bi o mo ka kire tete kwa de o mu nsuro kwa da bi o mo ka kire mo so eniema ni ho ye nuemu betina say ska ye twama mo bibiri tire ni ye so mo ba ko tana ga no fo nipa ni bi nti ase no ska ye twama mo no e die na mo di ye wo ha de obaka kire so PPs no o mu nya bi ntoto mama loka ayi ade pamfo no pambi o kwa bi ebi ni ho o ka na o mu didi ga na fo atam na ya ne onim die asam de o ka na so twantwa na ba be guo ni wase o ka so asedun ka tia ka se yare ni bi ni ho enu nti ne to ga na fo tirim ampa asedun ka tia ka se bi ni ho ana da moetwi wo amuni nyansa se asedun ka tia ka na ojitum se yare ni ho ene chi no education minister agapo na posu tia seru ngati asam na yale ni chi no me papa se John a na wanya nba ko be ba msofo no yakọ eno omo tia seru ngati na yale ni bo me no ka se ni education omo atu me wa omo atu koko board omo atu including your friend say boss omo atu
Minister of Education
and GS and also aseru ngati aka ya no and sampanyimfo no omanti o ti asam no oka na baba yo boni am wa ankasa na Ghana fo di tie sidia sankofo manya yare ni nyina ministers ni nya bi nyina ayaguko so practice fo ni kan na to omutiru na esi yam aseru ngati na ka se yare ni hodi a na ministers atimi ammo mu ba o tie ka se Ghana fo so odene ampa masama so odene mo ministers na mo appoint say o so odinti na yare na o munye abi no
papa
ani minister ba be ka o musi
yare no yare a
oni misika
bi a we wa
oni misika o mu no ye e timani nkan kire si Ghana fo so odene ahona no problem no
okay
say health minister na we die ano o hwe yare no so no and no obedina ejo le num siga na for so de onu so ni na so de ana ti o e kwesi na bebisa onu an kasa ni na so de nti na yare ni ti ni na na oh o ti asambi o ka obi ti be no o sre because wo so obi aso de no oba na so de no o ko fie o se akara ni so de na o so TV na yesi na o se TV wa o ba ya no wa be se TV no wi a wo se oba ni mo ni na so de no nti ye kwesi God for business we na wo da yare na no wo tuyefo te se dia no obedi na dwa na numu yi sika se dia mo ya ade o dwa na num se nka wa dwa na num a oh nka won ka se Ghana for so ode because wa nka se na wo die wa so nya de ni wo de woni nyansa wo de Ghana for tufu ya tufu se yare no ehu nti bo ho ba aye da ne tie o
obi da bia
enti wa na wo kata nsi na so ode ni ene ka se me ka ho binti ya so ode ni but so be dey do onum ti si dey na minu acha ma tie ka so Ghana for so odene ye ndi protocol no so aye ngu asetie wa be fa nkofo ma de o ma ku school aka kire me awofo ni se me kura me ni kwan se me ba school mu ho aba ba me ba no uwi a wo se nkwala no ngodi la ntro ya ka musi NTC for bibia baba bia ba start aka wo start ka ni na nkofo di atom baba kwa ko wi ase na ba woni ma se dun ka tira se wa Canada bia o mo tira so o ba da no ase dun ka tira se ya nhwe ye na akofo adu yarewe odi yarewe no e bokoro no odi yarewe ni de ba power aye true woni so ba be true di nkwala no wo fi o mo be true o mu di o mo kwa ko di la ya tro me bo me ba no ba na ko tro wo se akwala na aka be 2 days ma ya ko true di no wo se nkwala no ko school wa bo mu ba afa nkwala no ko du school mo wi a wo se yisufo no nko tro mu di ma o wo wi a no ma o ma political party for no kwansi yan ko school mo nko sra o mo anko be die ko so aba mi a me wo be ba wo se ba mi nko individual mi ko be ba no school se mi ko a me de yare ni be ko akoye no na wo ya ma ayi afa ni sen yisufo na o mu no wa bonten no adi machine akoso no wa frɛ me ba de so wo metra ne ntro ni din wo wi a no ma practical party mo kwanse yan ko he die akoso na bi so anya politics so we ni Facebook wo o ja ko to se nkwala ni se o mo betu aba ma na akofo ado o ko ho no nko mo be na no mo ko di o mo di tum se o metu aba ma na o ko utro o se adanse de yesa asam ye twa bi dia da ya adanse me ba etu o ko ho nto ye campaign enti na okay dia me ba to enti dia we do ka ya ekoye se ye betu aba ma na akofo ado anya ni ye campaign amma yanka be kwente ya ho asem be ngo mo be ne ko so a mi uji tum so obetu ababa ye so ka asem bi kire e kire mi so e bi se anu na wuwie ye wa nkasa obi am bi so na ko trogu o Facebook o che woni nkwala ni kasa ya no o so obetu ababa na akofo ado ani ye se aye wrong nkwala o kasa akra guys nkwala be 50 anya yare ni bi chairman se yare ni nkwala ni di frifie omo di frifie ti onkofo wo mu na buya ana ekuhe wo man so omo so nkwala ni di frifie o ya de to bisa ni se enne na akofo ado wa muwa ane wu na akofo ado akasa no wo dwa na akote wo akote usuo ukura wu ko years ko usuo be wu wa akote na wasuma wo pie nkofo ma because of wo de wo manyi wo pie o magum si nko je yare no na nkofo complain a mutu o kase sebio God of the omuka ofona and some omuka ni sebi ayense munu na omuka na omo fie abo ewe ni yare no omo school omu ba che ayi minu yare ne ba se 4 months ni na nkwala no wo fie be ba ana ntina da yare na nche nkwala no wo fie na omu ko school 2 weeks ya na yare ne chiwo sebi ti obi a owe bia nkwala ni tina fie ti o ma tina fie for 4 months ni nyina na 3 months ni nyina me beti fie no yare na nchero aba akra ni ko du school a 2 weeks pepepe wanya yare ni bi wa da tina e kase enkwala ni di yare ni fifie ane baaye enti ansem na ya omuka omuti ase die What's in Qualani different by two?
One say PT for teacher for this for
I saw we see the NDC in Bacaniano. Yeah, I catch a gun for and say I can't cram and people for an answer. Yeah, this until we are in I said, don't catch a catcher also. You are in you. I know ministers, every minister now, minister, and on my Casapa when you are the I catch a to move to one. And you be near Kosu. I never know Casa all said second D. DC. So, Sabio, one year baby cock. Wow. It's in some year can. Massa, and smoke a cake can sound, sir. Because you say you see a white home working. Must young kind of quick. Best one managing, must young kind of quick. You see the Yarini increasing. 6 cent bread, 10 bread. I know American, intimate. Why? And I go for the car, say you call lockdown till the Amana, your cousin go for minimum. What kind of no challenge? You call lockdown. And I go for the Singana for. Indian young Cosette there. I know Musicana for your sword, and why day. No, see, made the miracle parliament. Till because of what you saw, I saw it, and also made the miracle parliament. Now, MPs in Indian too. I just Ghana for you and idea too, say, made the Bedituma. In Temerada, the call parliament, and he will say, Shasoni and Timber also. 7 for Sobel also.
The brothers are here, man. And say, ye, man, and he, ye, Many years, man, and I go for Nankasa, the Jitu say, dinner, dinner to say, or your Frabella, or not the Jitu say, MPP for Quaco, Pramis, no more Dimmer. And I'm assuming I'm tired. Why not Dimmer natural? Or no MP minister more, or the Yaren woman, or so, the daughter advances so betting the Aquaba, betting the assassin, Butu, on Casa will be into Timidi Piawati, and all the choir, Minocase, Meranadi. Bunu, MPP, Bunu, people and MPP, primaries in Nibi. And will lose here. And I quite decided so independent. Once the moment our castle independent in the party West. Almost see a quadro, I got any power or no more casa. See a quani at Chino. I saw for people voter regime. Time of and you share, I said, Mo BNP Awantino, Miranda do more with them. And I go for MPP for Piawantin, go your primaries. When you move TV before the Moody TV. Mutual videos when you have taken America. Name a course. After a common sense, after MPP, primaries, Nipa, 300, 600, 800. Actually, say, woman, dear, they know. I Casa, don't we are you, MPP, oh, Folly Ghanaians, no, I never did not papa, no, but oh, Folly Ghanaians, me the PP is 20,000, me the way, what you are you teaching? Ye be school. Who was catch a million, who was but ye be a school, first day, second day, next school should be no with your man. Said you, common sense in the back catcher said, so we see what plan. Oh, when you see a what plan wouldn't go yes, your body of a transfer. What may I make no answer or don't go another? The moment now. O ba me ba eso di ya ba eso di ya friend is ensuesi awonti ho se ya ba ya horo ya sa ya ba transfer na o ma ye bi so what I say ni ya ba wa ma ye bi wa fa ensuesi ho na me betena ha wa na wa chi na o di bia bia se me horo me sa common sense na dia na wa kan ekwe u mi wura ma wa ma horo me sa wa ma mi gbe ada ma betena ha mi wia ata wa na wa chi na o di niam na ma mi enti eniam na e koso no and then they can just say, it is what I said, dear Chance. I don't know your boon, Yansom, service my uses our wedding. Fair, all catch a school for some mobile school. And Sakrana, and Quality B schools are deal, Navy peas, Unqualayin, and the cases of so many Colorado Betro. Omnium school here, and Qualabo, what is the only time I mark as my dear to say. Now, quite school to go or crying so long. Oh, what did you say? I won't say, oh, more can so beside the say. When you see school to go over and never acquire quite any Nadia boy. It's in manner before. And then Cynthia, no, your papa. Wouldn't so be school. Nippon about the other papa. Into your best year, Bob, into one point, your man from the school. This will be a school in 2 days. 3 days. So be the free buyer. Over your most of our schools no enya ebi.
I don't think America said.
The day of the European.
I don't think America said.
On Sakura Kayansan, if you.
I don't think America it is
only also a delay.
It is only a delay. Since say to a school in Nana, I natural. See a school in I bet you have a city. Young man, near Manum Coy in town. I don't hear Castle Man Penny, and son of Baba Casano. Also, Pesoya, they are 1, 2. And son of Bomba Dia, who's I'm ran about to when I would do. Ya dress come out, say for you. The company never in your quack. Ni checky, almost be okay to see there. Last week our TV said, a deputy health minister, in the war said, or move to school beer when you're in Casadi win Kawaii. Okay. I said, over Piero. No one more checking in the show. School where no more, but I have bread. Okay. Maybe no smash, bread you call. Right. Maybe a friend said, sometimes in Sweden be a Samina, a cock. One year, we are. I didn't tell you what you call the best in never say. Common sense never. And I say, from Masawu to Bantima, so far as the leader is incompetent, it doesn't matter his vice. The final decision will be incompetent decisions. With Akufo-Addo, the country future is secured. Don't waste your votes by voting JDM. Say for more for now. Regards to Honorable Afiye Akoto, Agric Minister. Okay, now they Abba and Mahmoud Kabori. Kabori, what the other thesis power? I say Chairman Ernest is being hypocritical than Nanabi himself. There are evidence of some SHS students using polythene bags as face masks. Wow. The government has failed and nothing more. If Chairman Ernest admits that SHS students carried the virus to school, why then is he still behaving as if the suggestion from the NDC to do mass testing before reopening was a bad thing? Why prevent parents from seeing their wards and allow politicians to mingle with people's kids? In any serious country, Nanabi, Carlos Ahimkra, the headmaster of CAS, Jane Mensah, should be behind the bars by now. Mahmoud Kabori, thesis, Bamanyam Reakenken, to me at the amount. I agree with what the NDC government is saying. My family are NPP, but what they are doing is not good. Schools must be closed down. Good evidence, Mike. In fact, your show is the best. Kindly tell the NDC man to stop that propaganda because this will not help them. JDM is a failure and he can still fail. Tell him if JDM is to be the president now, all of us might have gone by now. God bless Akufo-Addo. Janet, answer to the Africa Swa Abba. I don't know. Your views, I thought your comments. Just drop them. If you are not kind of the amount. We a syrup on Kuma TV. I said that Nkoma do not have clinic. Doctor say a name Yare maybe to say hepatitis and a air how. After Yare no Yare couldn't papa. The one here on your doctor. Yame Aman Diano no Haba. And we are not amwa. I don't see and did not have a clinic or Sebra. Now into me and yo testing it was Obia. Everybody knows what me up. Am I ran out to me ako. So and a member low sperm count. A quabuano a holding to the boss while wouldn't worry my pa, but to be free in every and so was no personal. Not fun for PNC. One way I and so that them was a cock not into me more true. A man also among Kunusia. Na Bukunusi also come as an idea. A quabu more timidity and Baban, 9 as a piaban. Do not say Momra. Now, going to me, I want Moon, Amanina, I told it to me, a trap. Also, no good that on Tiatica, again, cock now on wall, Sanso and a stroke, and a typhoid fever, and a air hawa, what the Anna, a breath, must say, Santastic of food, one so off of was good, or and do not have our clinic, your Homano, a 0244 874371 0244 874371. Offer now busier. Now for 020 199 955 020
199 frɛ na yɛnyɛ wo so ɛnɛyi obi ɛnkasɛ kuduo nse owuo deɛ ɛnyɛ adeɛ sɛ obi ani gye ho na ɛso nyɛ den a yɛ nipa yi bɛkɔ de bi nso atena ase wofrɔ sɛ wabɛka ho ɛno nti sɛ obusuani bi na afiri mu a akɔnya no aba yɛkamfo ɛde ama wo sɛ nne baabi a bɛnya efunadaka atɔ na ɛfɛ ɛhyɛ nomonyam ɔbrɛ a wode sie bi na yɛsam abu sika ama wode ayɛ yie no besia no interest bia ɛne ho yɛma wo video a wode bɛtwa cabinet ne nyinaa na yɛasama ambulance a wode bɛfiri hospital hɔ ɛde bɛkɔ fie ɛde efunu nso bɛto mu ɛde akɔpie mu ɛwɔ musie a na boss we casket yɛn ɛde yaba COVID-19 bere mu ɛne yankopɔn de aba sɛ yɛmmoa wo na wɔn nso so no wobɛtumi anya ahosane na wode ayɛ ɔde hyɛ dɛ yie fɛfɛɛfɛ a ɔhaw biara ɛntumi ɛma ho fihyɛ no so sɛ wobɛtumi abɛhwɛ yɛwɔ Kumase baabi a wo biara nso no adaka no noa nso bɛde kita ho yɛde bɛtu kaa mu ɛde abrɛ wo a kaa sika biara anim ɔmɔden a na ɛbrɛ Kumase Fantino town ɛna yɛwɔ Labour roundabout hɔ a woduru hɔ a ɛhɔ ɛna Gospel casket yɛwɔ wo nsa nifa so wode corporate assembly hɔ no ɛhɔ ɛna wobɛhu 0243 737 457 0243 737 457 no frɛ yi a yɛbɛnya mmerɛ ɛno bɛde kɔmɔ kama na afei hyɛ bi a obiara nso no yɛne wo atumi ahyehyɛ aha ɛyɛ Kumawood TV sinipidi dwumadi ɛna wogu so a wohwɛ no yɛntwa ɛhɔ mmara yɛba a yɛbatoa so na ɛbusa sɛ MPP baa yɛyi deɛ Vice President Dr. Alagman Mohammed ɛka ne sɛ Zongo deɛ ɔma ɛhɔ dwuma paa ɔmo sɛ ɛba nnwuma paa sɛ aban bi sesa zongo a MPP ayɛ dwuma paa saa nso ɛna sɛ yɛ compare John Dramani Mahama ɛne Adama Akufo-Addo a ɔmo sɛ John Dramani Mahama mmɔden bɔ no ɛwɔ fam paa yɛnkɔmmra na yɛbɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ nea ɔnso ade nkyerɛ no ɔsɔre no fa bra na yɛnkeka ne fama yɛma sisi ha Right, yes, I am Elfakwaba. A Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comments on 0543 596 070. Drop them. For your telegram, tell me American kind and for Emma. OPK Gosso says Summit MV and NDC press conference was bogus because Ronaldo has shown good leadership in the fight against COVID-19 with the World Health Organization praising him, but super incompetent Muhammad is NDC are just incompetent and incompetently discrediting him for more for not to do more. Regards to Martin Ede Kosa, incoming member of Parliament for Tetiman South, Honorable Evans Sebobie, MP Esnafo North, and then Nana Kweku men go so sana LPK when channel doors pa Emilia from Aswase or say unconfirmed source report we are getting about some journalists in Ashanti region is that they are being paid never to talk about the insults the chairman Untumi of the NPP peddled on Professor Jane, but we would like them to know if they sell out their conscience, they can't sell everybody's own. Greetings to all social democrats. Well, I don't know, but I'm not part if it is so. But I don't believe some colleagues in the West. I don't know. Right. Teacher Kudu Tepe I say all political parties should know that the fight against COVID-19 is the collective responsibility of all. The NDC should therefore support without any propaganda as the COVID-19 has no political or tribal colors. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu Ahafo Ano North MP. If I talk more phrase, what's up plan this no? Me me phone lines them to anyway na be phrase so. Nti me srewa me say for message in the first graph. Na me to me enkenkan into me emfa emma. You go so din komo the next week the issue of the current government NPP on over the weekend virtual meeting on the communicators here. So and a vice president so a chief ima. So zongos mo go pa. Abibia ba na bon mo de zongwa na M2 na okufado na bai. Okay. Ernest Isiama Nursing Training College LMBL district and the Ifri of a former Tasman president. I said the president has done marvelously well in terms of managing COVID-19 in our country. For more, to do more. And that's a very good evening. Yatia only LMBL for is my East Wina. I said, please, my problem is about the finalists. Where are they going to vote as they are registering them in schools? Because my kid brother is writing at Kintampo. We stay at Kumasi and he has registered there. I'm Sakina at Tafu Kumasi. Sakina, Unia Kumano, I really do so. East Makai, I'm why vote that transfer. Now you first of all about Tiano, but me I transfer vote about I have talk about. Right, so honest.
Yeah, Mickey.
Dr. Baumiase, Mabumadi was almost by. Ese Libya. My Benny was a modern bar, what bomb. And I'm come as a modern mobile Salomon Peniabo. I did the mind is Zungus with ya. You say a borough. Can't have any bad idea of any Hammer.
You, Mickey.
Good.
But that's the teacher constitution.
Yeah.
Was me chairman. With the program. Good. As Parliament for Municipal. A year MC Alibi.
No, what you see.
And
our chairman.
Chairman. Most of a fine man, fine gentleman. What chairman was chairman? And then you now, teachers wing. Ashanti region. Yeah. We are more board my son. Now your woman person. Any headmaster, me and Kasame head from Pomwati. From Pomwati. Town worker. It's a leadership. Unia. A year school for registry now. Yeah.
But what's that going to
be?
The guys have a category.
I don't know what you can come home. If you bebre ho me kasa me wo a me tebe ka
mama 10 minutes mama 10 minutes
ebe ye no normal time
okay
enti se yisi ne twene ho se enkwala no ebe ye fe ebe ye save se ye mo be frafra timemfo no na at least wako ye o registration na mo ho na at least yisi officials no omo akoya ho mo ense ko ne nyehwe na de mehu ni se NDC for de nkwala no ntie mo bi pe mi a omo pe team bi omo pese mo che mo pese mo register by in any case so omo re omo ye bi your community fi anko register on the club do be ye bi an masa on Siaga migi ye not dan ko for do kan no correct MPP ye wo ensem ka ye wa not dan ko for do and modern ko obo no o se ka ho asem e che Ghana for and also na di bia no ti se Ghana ye sika asa ye di amasika na sa e di kuma IMF no na dan ko for do ka tere ye se ye ti sika so Ghana ha na die ye ka se Ghana bi nye sika de ye bi ti di aye e mo ka tere ye se fresh che so de beba ye ka tere se de be nye aduma papa ne ti di aba wo ka tere ye sa tere mo no e fe se John Dramani Mahama ne mere so eni na unemployed graduate association e tere ye se because of IMF from the Ghana akochi wa don ba be ji o man no Africa fo nsem no na ye ni IMF o me ko sha ase no ye ni employment freeze e ba as nyame anya Ghana fo da roma ama na du dan ko akufo ne ba o me ameso mu a enke the employment freeze e ba ke ye grow for off o Ghana en su nyame abu e ba ye no onua ya lay off o ye say increase employment your friend said freeze on the dance man here freeze employment fan crofo no ana man for ko suku awie teachers and nurses ana other your friend said sectors and here feni pa no e ye Ghana ya o na dan ko akufo ado ne ba o me ba ye no ya biem na branch ma ba wa abo mo ye adwuma ya ko planting for food and jobs na dan ko akufo na ye ti ase e bra ye ba Ghana ne ye crab ye grant to your friends and go to me and never to be that and ye brother ye sporting hwe ene adwuma pa na dan ko akufo ado e dia ba agric sector se na wo koko na wo na koko na enfie koto ho na ntimi nso no ene wo si mitwagu a memma usika wo hwe su ni memma lisika mesa ba usinde wo se de adwuma koko na sore koko na ya de sisu no ene ha pollination ni ade ade ko a e bo ankrofo mo ye adwuma ye ba ye hwe eye galamse na galamse Uganda ku ye say you so nya ade na dan ko kufu ba ye ku na disifo e kan e tumfu trogo grofo ani ene o ma mo ye galamse no mo ye wadin se fine se na dan ko kufu ado ene hihye ya paraba wo se so betimi akwa agric sector meboa a man for ye wadin se most of them so ye so ko agric ye tima ye bi papa dia kwa ye man ene ye so o ma se mo musika mo musibisa o mo ye adwuma e do asemi
galamse no
I can tell you say I will firm the rate at this time. You have to say left, right, center. You can't compare it to today. We can't compare. We can't track and say those days. Any net that I'm saying, dear in the coffee.
Who difference?
Who difference? Who? So what you come say? What you come say? No, no, how can you tell us? And I bet you are for some other mocha. Some not for Tongo.
And then you got Call them, eh? Ko yeah hey oh efe e mo fro say baby a eyi we
Prof
Kwam we ko ho na ko monitor say o ma na mo ye dara na mo yi o ma free mu ama mo fro bi na kwan na so
Mickey I'll be surprised was so I can have you forgotten say o can say they are giving those small scale miners concession. They are giving them training to do a work. The mere for second and say cover doesn't mean small scale man and also. But you men I'm saying, a small scale man what is going on now.
Go there and see.
They say, me what I know, and your community mining is what is going on now. But yes, me say if you be amazing, no matter what it is, next a warrior will be so far wondering. But now they are still controlling. I will firm still those days. Those Russian fine see so they're too so galamse wo so no. And then is this as it is those days? Oh, she na dan ko akufuado. Ye kana papa no Ghana empunto ni nkanko. A wo de abre ye ya munua. Ye ti ha. E dey ka kire say ye me ye talk ni me ye talk china. E ye dey asem dey buy. Those days now go school mu a. Now for teachers educate collect 2 on the chalk near abaya na ye gisi abaya na ye je mensa na prof na ye education minister na ye mere so yes na one prof na ye mere so ene ni nya chalk kura po enfan china de esu ye tin collect ska ene de chocho and the corner go to your warehouses no go church you go and look at now Jesus go and name schools omo wo fie kura no go and check in tells you say na go akufo ado ye bi e wo se etini kan e mo asem ne kan ne
zongo for na
me say zongo he woni me say na say ye do special package manzongos no me call outside e go medicine and Mahama wuti bi da how many people anybody go say and a boy but na me tell what say who say
on free baba ni say na mo yezo
how many of them were zongos how many of them but ye get special package and the man zongo sa yes say zongo mebum and so is a so ko mani wa brabo sabe and you to trust him and then you cat and you very say kromo and say pattern zongo and no na da ko for you zongo minister e dey tin ye ka say zongo nyefe ye ka say zongo nyefa is all boss man to the infrastructure and then zongo nyefe bia so most of them ye gutters near bridges but then go and see the kind of bridges and infrastructure airports for zongos and hospitals any yeah football pitches any man you can say zongos and then so over man who show your footballers most of them come from zongos and no that kwa kufuado doctor about mahuba me all come once so what your package now zongo come the libraries are wow to help the students to help the youth so that they are obey and the culture of reading and learning
the oba santa na zongos be say na Moses libraries na those things are going.
Libraries met me at Robert Biamitie. Met me at your friends a library. I was pro from. Pro from library ho. You don't go pro from. And yeah friends. And yeah most go pro from mu.
E most go na library no.
Me sing. Most go ni library. It's just a walking distance. And in your compose you say chin tells and zongo. But the mere fact say a poor community no, and your short distance, on 19 because you are the other day is between there and one. So I said, see a toilet facility. What can I be a mayor? Any acquisition, Omuko Zongo, go events and Mozongo. It could be a toilet facility, I see one, but hear me. So I said, it tells you standing away and a man who did a coso. Standing away a man who did a coso Zongo. What I said, and told me, see a can, what they can. Now let's come to your friends in railway sector. You share abandoned to my never natural time. I will be can actually time. You railway sector. Look at massive improvement at a bush or more. Castle will be it was from a large to circle. And I'm putting here. But then go and then from Accra, I will go back go to Central Region. Go and look the kind of railway sector. Near railway lines or more year. You go super what they say. You buy no up pro call if a new event say coaches and your babwa. It's another go for now that Roma. Bema was soon so much. Now almost said yes. Independence and near one soon or mine. Our mind dance war. Another go for yes, Shadi. Maybe one go event say. Maybe my Lucifer. The almost catch a young teacher for. Training allowances. Next training allowances. Obi catch us a mean training net, mean training. More pamon fan to a betiame. I ain't talk casa because a move scan or my grandmother do pay. Papa is a baby bammy baba. Or buy the mere motivia. I'm an year, a Ghana, yes, I am a fascino. A Sagana. I will be to buy on what you are best animal waiting. That's it, dear Benty. And then to also a bar. Mintimin can as some and Punto upon the other. Now, me theatre. But friend at least a year called at least light of whom over 4 years. Or between year free moon. As
Mike, can't you see that our Zongos are looking attractive under the leadership of Nana Abdul, Ernest, Emanuela, not the Abba, I don't know. So Mike, are you an NDC or NPP? Charlie, I like your shoe. God bless you. Tando, they are also at the Abba, Tando also get us say. Kojo Yabua, no wonder that's how NPP governs the country. They always talk a lot. Mahama advised them to make free SHS progressively free, but they refused. They were advised to close the border earlier. They refused. Not to reopen schools. They didn't. They were advised to do mass testing. They didn't. To stop registration. They refused. You are destroying Ghana because of power. Remember, remember, Nebuchadnezzar ruled for so many years, but his kingship came to an end. You will never rule to an end. Tidis and Akodo Yabua Ediaba. I can Eddie Amano Bright Angel Eddie Free Obuasi Bright Ato Angel Bright. Very good evening. Onigi show you by Michelle. I say, please, Mr. Host, we don't just need a president, but we need a visionary president, because Muhammad never knew about the virus, but you see how he sat down to think about building hospitals. This is a man who thinks ahead. I swear, apart from Kwame Nkrumah, Mahama is one of the wisest men we have ever had in our country. Greetings to all social democrats. Okay, and also the Abba and Mr. Peter Aka Axim watching live. Peter Aka, Chiao, any of your phone in okay, I'm going to take with you.
Yes, so much.
Medina Michael, I don't I confuse
you. Say, come on, say, I'm the car home.
Send him the radio. I'm 10 minutes.
Only say,
6 to
only say, Abendi in Ghana, Abendi in Ghana, uncle, where Bangla. Abendi or Ghana, 15 bedrooms are the uncle where Bangla.
Maybe was
be new. It's been you and my own cousin, and easy for the Mukushimuna, or Muban. We
say IMF, Omega Red Bank.
I saw me in there. I become a so many call music and boom.
Jake, got it right. IMF from Red Bank.
I don't know what I see. I see any say, or we are seeing now. I'm a mamma, I come to boom. I know what this guy got to baby. Say, Mukwa, which you want to mark on your boom.
I don't know.
Make us some tell some and no one what the young fellow said, watch him in the writing. I know a baby or Ghana won't go on. I've been here in Ghana. I said, Dr. Bamiaka say NPP for NDC for young ear reading. But only so would you move about Muntias. Your choir, Ninka see film 2017. NPP buyer, if you was in 2018. Date near 2017, Ninka a few. Yeah, the choir. And I will buy it, and I will continue for
extension
for 1 year. I don't hear the coin. Here, who will buy a beer and will buy them. And your papa, I don't know town soon. Was our question almost said, Mumma, 1 year now. And says, What could be one? Oh, if you are so, who can say the prayer? Son, I'm the charmer with him so for 1 year, almost for 1 year. I'm so one kind. Mama, kind of uncle reading. So we do not want to see on corner on China say. When you know, your president are to say, my MPP for already. No India, or Monka near my wire. Had a popular buy. Your popular buy is NDC Kosale, your Mahama, accompanied professor, manager for the running meet. Nibana Wayard. And my bonnet on my yard, and this is what I said, Yenny, dear, and your quantity or buy. Into what we're by the Benny. No Benya. Chairman Sabus, what to make us say. Young father said, John Mahama knew what he said to Mammy. A bit of a president. On your kind, Yamina kind. Who you and your friend said, Wabea someone, lawyer Bakwa. Said me, saying, I don't really come as a man. Now, wouldn't you remember? Wouldn't my son and come on? So, wouldn't be a 3 minute move back, come on. Mr. Lawyer, say lawyers in New York. We come where when the Benamaka woman in Casa. lawyer Mrs. Nka lawyers in New Year's and coming better than one. Lawyer and Casasa. Or see, Mamina Koyin. Your mamma Bugan and you must Bugana for because of other Yakuyu Oba. So my running meet. Your mamma and the Bonawaya. Me was in the area Oba, the mammy Oba, New about or respecting mammy or respecting your friends and near. And you need to for our fat, near in the year you animate. A year be a man. Or say your mamma, anyway, your mamma, we, mammy, dear, who got for. And you know, we, and you are going to save you. A century, MPP Chama, and I'm so when you BNT. Yakoyi is on the original Chama.
What do you say?
Oh, Daddy, we were right to say, I can't tell me, I make myself. Says, oh, kind of, no. Only you be anti man, nobody can get away. We need some more catch that man. We need some more person. What the man is, nothing to me, training. Hey, or Koyadia or Finn, I can't say. And take care of Frank and Anako for the Betty president. I'm offending you, did you to me, and can Anako for the Koya president. What can you do if you answer? So do be a tama. I ask you, fear. So fear said, and some of our car for you. Some of our car was in the dream. But I don't want to comparing. Yes, mammy, no, what's in the new what the dinner? Tell them because see a car or far. I know because see a car or far. Oh, but me come out, sir. Come on, sir. No, I didn't know who you please, Jake. We are discussing. No, I won't tell you. We continue inviting us. What you talking about? No. I won't tell you. No. I said, "Ben Muke, my good time. Went to be casting in one casa." We go to. I go to be leader. Me leader or Jimmy. Also, Dr. Muhammad Isa Ababiu, Muhis Herbal Center. In the year 2019, I didn't do Mamma Yasa, Mamma Yasa. So we said, my father, right, yes, I am Shafakaba, and from Rasinupi on Common TV, Yamre, na etimi SC Samupi. Your views, your talk, your comments, still welcome on our show.
aseda enko emma Dr. Muhammad Isa Abebiu. In the year 2019, Abraham na a doctor for an inventor for or more than dear about a say a back and yare say they would draw a Asadia Moise at the tent. I don't see a 10 minute over the show and ask what the fra or more than a Catchy. Sounds of stroke, hypertension, diabetes, via any hour. One worry, I walk Emma. I don't know the mamma. Abusia achakura no e boso mienu ubenyi nsen na wa ba tu din amebi so akaye ya so na we no say yes Moise de tatahwepa bomoden na ekọ na kache odium anoma so domi abra Kumasi eno wo edro pa de Ghana de opa Kumasi ho a wayira Kumasi pa sademantemu edro ha pa eoti awon na che na won san kan ye Western region, Central region, Eastern region, Buta region na won ya lebre Kumasi na afi Moise entimi enhwe 0249 616937 0249 616937 offer na will be a Rubiano or new APT. I say watching live from Mensia, a intercontinental travel and tour. Prof, I say okay live. A very good evening to you, Prof. Right, Jake.
I need to make because you are this time would the dear penny that hour, if they do penny that and the Indian Kasa ye. Would you walk, Mammy or Bettima was 60 something years. Would you want Mammy move a fair friend? Oh, my God, to say, oh, Naka, Kabon, we go pen and go home see. Pempe school, walk bomb block for crowd, you go into intro, which you know the man, and your money and son. When I be able to PhD, when I pay the man. Ah, now I'm a Trinity. When I pay you, die, Nene Casa, we will go Pempe for you as a crowd. And to the message, said, Yen Yaku, and to all kinds of man, we go far off. Can be an officer, one time. That's what they are more fed. The anti-Namacasi are more fed than Akufar or qualified for president. So I don't know who's right. It is all my dear sir, you're paying for no to my tamana. Ye bet you open paying for that. Ye Nani Atia was it. I want to be here than Akufar Yenya to my name. Omutia Tamu Yellow. After one we said, the Omuyan, after over to Omufu. Omo continue, dear Tama, the Joma, Tam, a can send the brain. Yako panti maro kasa ombo bieti onye fi abona yeye no mo di mami atam mi wan so ne makra be dia ne ma asua die dunya so mo ni chama wonti wonni kota just seconds for wonni are you true no senka utie na anka se mo kura ko be jam si mi flow ko be jam si mi flow utie video no ni ti de no ti ni TV ni so ye ti obi ma se jodan bai utie no de mi tie me kama se mo wi wi no waka
please ask Jake. Does he have anything contrary to what the NPP are saying about the government?
We are say two topics now. The man, we see Nana Akufo-Addo say atam didie no omungo for ni dia ye wia na akozongu adwuma wo so omaye ene ma fa ba ko mi wi otutu aye ro na obi atlase o so ni de we NPP ni no so kira na adu ti ba mi so mi kira ma adu he nti aka kire omunyai omunyai atam didie no omunyai ya ibi du o matembi sa na tie Tama untimi wadi ba ya di bisi. When some fata jisi Ghana kwana so obi wo sika kakra woni nyansa.
Ye gbanya me ha.
O wo sika cha so woni nyansa. Ha? Oni a woni ane mu ma yen discuss. And the topics in the ba mu ma yen discuss because o di atam ne ma panyi betu.
O ni mai.
So what you say? Ayi Dr. Bamian so ayi dia mazongo fo. Na mi say ya ba ka say ye muzongo wa. Okọ muzongo bi o. Okọ ta ayi tafwa. Oko aswase na minim so o chama be chechire so yesi we yesi ha yesi school da yesi ha yesi we yesi ha ene de wantima ka o kan o se o masida bebi ko furu ya push na o se da musuzongo be ho nti na o minim si musuzongo se e shemenhia no fo ase no o ka so mu eyi zongo minister nti na regional minister ni wo ni MP ni wo o so mo nsem na ya ho kan ni sisi so wonim si minister wo awo babo zongo so ni nyina wo ministers awo MPs awo show mase mo ko yin gofo ayeyin short to zongo fo no tabami akwa ni hunya no nwa obi o free love anya nwa se o mo be sisi ma to ko ka kire ni kromfo se okoto pan mu no mo so mo ba ma ati wo we eni kwase obi o free love no ro oyi na se papa we pa Ghana achievement ayanya power so come awuye leader wa school ya vice president otuo na wakoto pan ama wonkofo so wo nko maachi ya ko maachi a enti nyemwo so se zongo fo obai wa bo yi do tabania ogu ntafo ni mase notness ogu mo ni mase o respect o mo sa de sia na so papa we ombu notness nka sa de na wo ye kwa beka se dabi we die because sa ta mo so obi na America ni bitu a we bi sense na mo so pa na so o ma kire o so ye die adwuma na wa ka kire so yesua Ghana ya wadwuma ba ko ho yesua ni ntina ti ya ba ya improve ani nti ye improve ya se ya to pai no se pai mu no so mo kwa we ye ni kwa se nti o ka so agwa zo ngofo a enye mo tu papa we ne ba ka kire se ewiase nyansa nyina wonni afasika sam de wonni na do Mahama town na do na ye for two ana o take papa ni sa wa ben ne ko fa be si na Ghana for the two man and dollar kura ye ntu kwa no oni be be dollar do sisi oni be be dollar sisi ya kwa sadisi ana kwa ye ntu kwa dollar abo sisi
you say 56 ana
abo sisi dollar sisi Jackie
oh no
Jackie
no check for me
me so ko ko Jackie o be nya bi nto pa se me mouse kan ko to bi fa sense mamia na me fa ma o ko to bi bla me dey say this time o ka ni ya yo practical anya se o be tira na o ka na wa for ho adi o ya me mouse kan wa ko to bi ama me mouse kan wa ko to dollar ni bi ama right onim MPP o
dollar no
MPP
57
ani na me say
57
ani na me say me mouse kan wa to bi abla me a china baba abeji me nka me nwo de ya fa MPP o kasa ni bi o mo ya die o so oba ya o ma baba adwuma ayi nako o ma fa graduate 100 me ba 100,000 into because of an tinti ye ni ayi school for o muti fi bi me ba pe ko bo Ghana year bi a graduate am over system no offer private abaya 100,000 people ni ya do o ba system ya produce o me ba ya produce o to system no o buy o si do ma am dey 100 na offer 3 years o buy what produce 300,000 our system no o so la kasa 100,000 dey o mutimi ye dede 300,000 dey o mu nye dede pe o mutia ya wa na great minister wa ka chere so branch for food adwuma ba o say o yi fasili kura body aduro kura o tintobi me ma obi a me ma chama me o beto body aduro abia na me ma me fasili na o fon koto body aduro million sisi ya na me fa nko fi aw kasa ni de obetima aka ho obetima dwo onum mu bae abaya bosia binsi da mu na mu sie se scan wo ha ti si de na chama ya kan mu bae bosia mo bosia nti aban bia mu bosia nti aban bia do ma adwuma wo ye pekage a project pe also ti sa o si anu e minister ba o ti afi de mo se also ti si na do ma si ya no a no mu nto aso no ti se do mo si ya le ba ya no enye mu nto aso tantam ti ba be 2 months time de no mo wi na me se wi aso o bodua ben nyawo afi de mo si do ma si also ti bi esi kolongo mo so si bi esi ba kwai mo so si bi esi kama mo bi so si bi esi ayi saria wasi chese do ma ko nipa odwi mu a Ghana ye koye ni bie bitimesi enti because of an nti Mrs. Hospitals, Mrs. High School, who buy free education, Senior Mahama, Nessa, Nana Jane, and drink kind of walk. I was in secondary school, sir. And Casabrin can crack a green in this year 4 times or 1 week. No, we're watching
right. Now, make a if you have done all these to Zongo people, why are you intimidating Ghanaians to register? Ghanaians will judge you according to your work. Come to Efidiase and Asokore Zongo and see if you will find any project there. Shame to you. Lies will send you to grave and wait from Yabua, Efidiase Asokore, Nana Yabua there, the Efidiase Asokore, Abba, I don't know. Mr. Yao Pense was watching live from Andriam. Okay, fire. Good evening. Yanko Amana Soyabi Amanatu 0200 603 0200 603 602. Ofra, lower the volume of your TV set. TV no from till more phone. na intimi to nkan yi ya na uti ho TV no so a edile ti ho phone na intimi ante onkan yi ye na no mo Libya ye chacha mo mu na no mo hwe Tony from Libya go hepa was it after killing our 7 Zongo brothers in Kumasi killing Ahmed Suole and you are telling us you have done well in Zongos. Sure Baumia it's a lie. Okay, all right. What is the new Hayana and all shit? Yeah, I need to get right. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please, how do I come? All right, police. I'm going to mention it. That's really a man. Maybe I'm going to be afraid. But before then, I'm fasting up. Mohis Herbal Center. Mohis Herbal Center. God's Way Casket and I feel to Nats Herbal Clinic. So we now discuss your saying. I didn't really know at the John. Yeah. Well, for our previous also. Technically.
Yeah, see, John Evans, Dr. Baumia, one talk, a friend saying, in chance him will be up on match. Now, if okay, and this is okay, Titina, a man for swat toiletina, no more than chance in the year. So I time make see much almost one chance in Brian, every ever match it. They end this in casual.
Yeah,
who was having? Now to 2 and 1 my JJ so Ghana, Mamicho. Ghana, Ghana since independent. We are in our 60s and you say how many
63 years.
Good. And this is Doomsday.
What is it?
Who was having? NDC had more than 23 years. Our Ghana Kumaso. More than even your friend is saying. Dr. Nkrumah, our Ghana CEO. So what I say, you or Mamamu, any dear quality Ghana, every Moroma, Ghana, Senka MPP in Yasa, when you be. Etra Ghana Kumasu over 27, 23 years in Amasa. He made me a country Senka Ghana, and can hear neighboring countries and tell you, yes, in Malaysia and Kikaomo. Your banner, Muliano. I buy an Mulia, who can come see I free teachers, no order. Never. Apart from Santa Ohana, Mukremo, and Nestle who enjoy him. I dainty. I don't want to be I'm a Ghana for you. I don't go for a man.
Okay, I think that we are facing some technical challenges on our lines. A two-one, every course.
Enti, Unia. They all can. I said you, who can be a tema with another dog of Kufuado, Efra will be some of a king. Sabe, President, not a dog of Kufuado. And it will tear for no. Say, or near penny or Tinefi, and Mankola, a good deep one will be a woman basso. Say, when you don't do many Mahama. So what I say, when you don't do many Mahama, and what they mean, Obia syndrome, Esnason, that's a conscious syndrome. I can say, by you, beautiful, be a maintain. Until I don't go for 8 years for say, yes, more piano track, penny mobiara, or which we are following. Until the year can say, Papa, the Juma power 1 year. A Juma, why you be cigar had and once him, and I mean, no, yeah, come once him. And then, Baumia da Roma. First, and I can could deny for your passports. And who was sent you with send away in the freeway, and no better than you feel with your latest bill. Who met me at no fear, every new who had insurance. And no better than no fear, after what there to be said, a Hanamiti, Papa Berrio. And no one said, I can never go through. And no mamma, Papa, a cost of a man. It is up to all. Now, just said, and another Paku for the name. What do you mean, can't the John Dramani Mahama by Obey? That's all about Nadia and Tendia. To also not Ghana 40. At a deal with TTT, Ghana for one co-position. To this area, one co-position.
Too bad. Madame Monfanche, Mokosno, me, Fakosno, Madame Monfa, and the offices of few technical challenges. We hope to resolve it by tomorrow. Monfanche, I mean, not in Rapa.
Yo, Jay, when you have the same, Atom DTM, what's he in this phone? Why the starting theatre? I said, no, I mean, you never get go for no flavor. Why the starting tea? Your woman, I mean, me a video. na mo start didi ma me na ana mo president awu se wo mu nkan na asasam ene wo tumufo ba mi kai ko fo sin ansem didi no wo di a obi so ana o ye tell enti jai wo se obi na didi wo bi atam na de to we aba ma o na ya discuss at didi wo atam da aya bu go to fidi mu ma keka kire obi ama me no kura se bi nipa na waka asa wo kura kire ma me kura no o men ne ma kura ampo chai no ma me ne betima wo no nso wo didi na atam ade ni nipa dua ni na didi na atam me de minim se Jesus nti wo de kan adwuma oba a wa baye wo didi na atam wo de me pese me kire ne dia wo tie nti so ade atan wo fi a me nka ni nkire obi a me fi bi ade bi atan wo ho wo ka obi so be kire wo ade ko fa problem ne ba ti e ka se me to Muhammad de bia me ka do mama ai do ta mamiani na na ku fa do baye ne me no ka se ya tu fuo mu ya tu kais kam no ka se la tishi ya o ti ya ka se la be ya tu se no ka se ya tu me ofruka enti be ma me na o ti dwum no enye se ya de digital number bi ono me ma me na o ti dwum fa digital number bi fa ko ba bi o ko me ma me na o ti dwum ko school me ba ma me ka se
Yeah, this is from
ma me ka se ma me ka ta kura ani de o ta ta tu ma me ma me na o ti dwum no ani aboso o kan ni no ana oko ya friend say due to omu yi omu ntimi ntua omu mpe digital address o passport omu fa nko ba bia o Ghana for do dance na tu kwan enti ana me ka say before omu nim de ha omu yo Ghana for do dance na tu kwan passport mi tina mi dem na mi tua mi land bay one day ka tina wo say me ma me na otidwo saa ne me no nya ya me ba me na otidwo mo ne ya open say o fruka free na kuda say ba be didwa case kan yin ti suma no dia o wiwa ni say edan bo ade be bia cement bo adu iron rods fenye be bo be bi eduru enya na ma me ni wi dia ma me ni wi ni say saa ne me ni nyina ko enya se die o bi ti to akika kansam
regional communication team member of the NDC and OT Nekano. Mr. Echampo, and Papa me, you are watching live. A very good evening. Yes,
what's Ghana for the best almost say COVID-19 will be a good. Yes, so more. Safety protocols, observe, so they are a boy. Ama a bino, and she share all the atron, the Biaco 101. Maybe the mechanic say, Accommodine Edumaya for Bedon Yes, answers or share the neighboring countries, for developing countries, or Nawumia, or Mufili Parudu, or Munia, being Parudu, we another compare Ghana, let's say, Oma Bomodini, say Namiadum, and you say active cases in about a little over 4,000, right? And Omon Watomo, 20 something thousand, or Richa, or Mabo, the Obama Basso. Best said Omokan. Ghana for the Enfa protocols.
Okay.
Enfa protocols. Of course, put in a press and get that soon. And nearby, no coffee.
Okay.
Hey,
and next time, mention our second vice chairman for the NPP, regional communication team member for the party. Emphasis that Emma on society. So, I'm the kind on I think money, no. At the Brem. One fan say, pass saying to me, I'm the cake, of course, no. Mr. Boku, you had former tutor. Great Baptist also okay, a very good evening to you also. Yes, Michael Nana Abdumakon, with me from Mr. Mike, Mr. Producer, Samuel Pabana, the producer, Bernard there, Kobe Frank, and a Chakramano at the MI Sanso, and Uchinos production manager, MCR, Vitia, Augustina, and Afi Loretta. I may have done now for the chair, China 4:30 to 6:30, Ibisia, not yesterday.